Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question. Please calculate the expected rate of return, variance and standard deviation for the data set in tab 2 of the Excel sheet. Good A, good B, probability rate of ret percent, D, deviation as rate of ret percent, D, deviation as recession 18.90%, 13.10%, minus 12, minus 19.73%, minus 7, normal 65.20%, 6.50%, 1, 1.87%, 21, boom, 15.90%, minus 3.87%, 11, 11.20%, expected rate of Retur variance standard deviation. Correct answer is to calculate the expected rate of return, variance and standard deviation for the data set in tab 2 of the Excel sheet. Number 1, expected rate of return for good A into 18.90% 0.18 plus into 65.20% 0.62 plus into 15.90% 0.159 equals 0.0556 or 5.56%. For good B into 13.10% 0.18 plus into 6.50% 0.652 plus into minus 3.87% 0.159 equal 0.059 or 0.0591 or 50.91%. Number 2, variance for good A. Variance equal into 0.18 into minus 0.0973 plus into 0.652 into 0.0187 plus into 0.159 into 0.112 into 2 equals 0.000266605 for good B. Variance equal into 0.18 into minus 0.7 206 plus into 0652 into 0.0212 plus into 0.159 into 0.112 into 2 equals 0.003629. Number 3, standard deviation for good A. Standard deviation equal SQR2 into variance A equal SQRT into 0.002605 equals 0.0510 or 5.10%. For good B, standard deviation equal SQRT into variance B equal SQR2 into 0.003629 equal 0.0603 or 6.03%. Therefore, based on the calculations, the expected rate of return, variance and standard deviation for good are 5.56%, 0.002605 and 5.10% respectively. For good B, the values are 5.91%, 0.003629 and 6.03% respectively. These metrics provide insight into the potential returns and risk associated with each investment option, aiding in decision making and portfolio management strategies. So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Class Beta so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.